Opting to ditch the usual fanfare, this past July, Apple quietly unveiled its long-rumored MagSafe Battery Pack, an add-on battery that's designed to work with the iPhone 12 lineup to provide extra battery life, but which also has a few other nifty features. We'll cover those and more today, as we look at why MagSafe battery packs are here to stay. Design. The MagSafe Battery Pack has a rectangular design that matches the shape of the iPhone, and it attaches to the back of an iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max to provide extra power. Apple debuted the MagSafe Battery Pack in white, with its quintessential Apple logo prominently displayed. It is sized to take up the full rear of the iPhone 12 mini below the camera cutout, while it has a smaller fit on the other iPhone models. The MagSafe Battery Pack is made from a hard white plastic material. The back side of the MagSafe Battery Pack that's visible has a rounded look with rounded corners, while the front is flat with a MagSafe indentation. There is a built-in lightning port for charging the MagSafe Battery Pack. Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack looks a bit thinner in the marketing photos, but in real life, it's quite a bit thicker than it appears in Apple's images. The MagSafe Battery Pack weighs in at 115 grams and it is 11 millimeters thick. Comparatively, the iPhone 12 weighs 164 grams and is 7.4 millimeters thick. Charging speed. The MagSafe Battery Pack charges an iPhone 12 model at a reduced 5 watts while on the go, as Apple throttled that charging speed due to heat concerns and to provide it with longer battery life. When the MagSafe Battery Pack is attached to an iPhone and plugged into a Lightning to USB-C cable that's connected to a 20 watts or higher charger, the iPhone is able to charge through the MagSafe Battery Pack at 15 watts. Most people will likely use the MagSafe Battery Pack while out and about, and in this situation, it's good to be aware that charging is limited to a slower 5 watt speed. Battery size. Apple so far hasn't provided details on how much additional battery life an iPhone user can get with the MagSafe Battery Pack. The MagSafe Battery Pack has a 11.13 Wh battery inside. In comparison, the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro have a 10.78 Wh battery, the iPhone 12 mini has an 8.57 Wh battery, and the 12 Pro Max has a 14.13 Wh battery. Qi-based wireless charging is not efficient and some of the battery capacity is lost, so it's not entirely clear just how much the MagSafe Battery Pack will charge up an iPhone 12, especially as charging capacity may vary based on temperature conditions. Roughly, the MagSafe Battery Pack may provide one full charge for the iPhone 12 mini and a partial charge for the rest of the iPhone 12 models. Though designed for iPhone 12 models, the battery pack can be used to charge any Qi-based device, which includes older iPhones and the AirPods. Reverse charging. The MagSafe Battery Pack has a reverse wireless charging feature. This means that if you charge your iPhone, the MagSafe Battery Pack will also charge at the same time. So you can charge both the iPhone and the MagSafe Battery Pack through the Lightning port on the MagSafe Battery Pack or through the Lightning port on the iPhone, and you'll get the same ultimate result with both devices charging up. Apple says that this charging method is useful for when the iPhone is plugged into another device, such as a wired CarPlay setup or when an iPhone is connected to a Mac. When charging the iPhone and MagSafe Battery Pack simultaneously, the iPhone will charge to 80% or higher before the MagSafe Battery Pack begins to charge. Note that a 20 watt or higher power adapter is recommended for charging and is required for charging the iPhone at 15 watts when the MagSafe Battery Pack is plugged in. Charging the MagSafe Battery Pack either through the battery pack itself or through the iPhone requires a Lightning cable. The MagSafe Battery Pack will not charge using Apple's MagSafe charger. Also something to note, as of this recording, the Apple Watch does not support Qi charging. Heat and charging control. As mentioned, there are built-in charge management features in the MagSafe Battery Pack that are designed to help maintain battery health in situations where the MagSafe Battery Pack is connected to power for long periods of time. Apple says that an iPhone 12 might get warm while it charges. If that happens, To extend the lifespan of the battery, Apple says that the software might limit charging above 80%. If this happens, Apple recommends moving to a cooler location as the iPhone will charge again when the temperature drops. When using the MagSafe Battery Pack to charge an iPhone, you might get a notification that the iPhone will only charge up to 90%. To charge beyond 90%, Apple recommends opening Control Center, pressing and holding on the low power mode icon, and then tapping Continue. If optimized battery charging is activated, you may also see a lock screen notification letting you know when the iPhone will be fully charged. To force a charge, you can tap and hold the notification, then tap Charge Now. Interaction with other MagSafe accessories. The MagSafe Battery Pack can be attached to a naked iPhone or to an iPhone with a MagSafe case attached. If you use a leather charging case, however, Apple warns that the case might eventually show imprints from the compression of the leather, which is normal. Those concerned about the imprints should use a non-leather case. Because the MagSafe Battery Pack needs direct contact with the iPhone, accessories like the MagSafe wallet need to be removed. In conclusion, we see no turning back for Apple and MagSafe charging technology. This upgrade is fitting onto the Apple Quest for maximized session time. With the upcoming release of things like Apple Glass, we may find that in the future Apple fits seamlessly into our lives without ever even having to put our devices down. Is the MagSafe Battery Pack the bridge to this connected future, or simply a bridge to nowhere? Let us know your thoughts on the Apple MagSafe Battery Pack down below in the comments. Is it here to stay? As always, if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to hit the like and subscribe if you're new to the channel so you never miss any of our future Apple videos. Thanks for watching.